How to hide apps in any phone. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up settings on your device. To open up settings, scroll down your notification panel and tap on the gear icon. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Now on this page, if you can't see hide apps, go back and scroll down and tap on security and privacy. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and here you can find hide apps. Simply tap on it. Now enter the privacy password or you can set up your privacy password. Now tap on get started. Now on this page you can choose from access via home screen icon or access via dial pad. Choose any of them. Now tap on settings. Now enter the code. Now tap on done. Now click on done. Now tap on add apps. Now select the apps you want to hide. Now after hiding, go back to the home screen and open up dialer. Now enter the code you just set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.